Hi guys, my name is French Nana and I'm here with my amazing queens, Emergency, Hayley and Mazza. Today we are here to show you the Nana Riddim Challenge tutorial. So now we are going to show you the routine.
No, no, no.
So now you've seen the routine, now we're gonna be breaking it down. So, first step is that we're gonna start with our right leg. Girls, you ready? So, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So, we're gonna go on to the second move. The second move, we're gonna use our hips. Girls, you ready? And we're gonna do it 4 times. So, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to repeat it, and this time we're going to do it on the left-hand side. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So now we are going to go and repeat the moves again, and this time we're going to do it on our left-hand side. Also, we're going to put the hip move too. So girls, you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So we're gonna move on to our third step, and this is literally 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now we're gonna be doing the third step. So we're gonna do it 3 times. Ladies, you ready? Okay, cool. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna go from the top so you guys can get an idea. Are you guys ready, queens? All right, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. So, boom, this is the last step, guys. And this step, we're gonna do it 4 times. So get ready on your full step to drop. Remember that I said to drop on your full step. So don't say I didn't tell you so, okay? All right, cool. So queens, are you guys ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, so there you have it. So now we're gonna do it all together. So make sure you grab your aunties, your uncles, your sisters, your brothers, and let's do it all together. Queens, are you ready? All right, so let's go.
Many, 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 many. Many, many, nothing with me. Many, many, nothing with me. When I enter. Many, 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 many. No, no, no.
Watching, we are at the end of our video, so make sure you hashtag Nana Riddim Challenge and make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever social media you guys have. And thank you once again, thank you my queens, and God bless you guys, and